Hello and welcome to this Microshare video series. We're looking at C3A, the COVID Cleaning Capacity Assessment, with its inventor, Tom Jackson, who is our COO and Director of Strategy. Tom, this is something that's very, very evident in the facilities management world and the commercial cleaning world these days. They're being asked to do more without being paid more, and with all sorts of new demands on the routines that have traditionally been in place for commercial cleaning of a large facility. Why are people thinking about this at this point?
So that's a great question, Mike. And as you might guess, it's really a function of the virus and the pandemic. When the virus initially hit, in starting at least the impact that we saw starting the second week in March earlier this year, very quickly the clients of facility managers began pressing them to work hard to hit areas that were high touch and high frequency spaces as a way of allowing their customers to be assured that that cleaning was being done. And so that the result on the facility managers was, how am I going to do this incremental cleaning on top of the cleaning that I already need to do? So it was really a very acute kind of situation that occurred very quickly, kind of out of the blue, with facility managers thinking to themselves, I have the facility to clean in the way that I've always cleaned it, and now you're asking me to do incremental cleaning, but I don't have incremental people and incremental budget to do that.
Now, you're the author of a white paper on this. It's on our website, and an online survey as well is on our website, which is accessible through the white paper. So Tom, traditionally, cleaning a large facility has been a lot like capturing land at war. You go in, you sweep through, you touch everything once after hours, and that's been pretty much the methodology. I mean, what has changed, and what is the new approach that makes this more relevant to the moment we're in with COVID-19?
Yeah, so what has changed is that there are tools now that are available to allow you to see what space needs to be cleaned and what space doesn't, and that wasn't available 2 years ago, 1 year ago. It really has just evolved in the last year or so. So now that you have the ability to see that, you don't need to clean every space. You don't need to touch all of the spaces because some of them haven't been used, and it really changes the whole dynamic in terms of the way that the facility managers can think about their space, thinking about it more about from a demand point of view, and responding to demand rather than responding to a fixed building with a fixed schedule, with fixed routes and whatnot. So it's this new tool that allows them to think more on a demand basis. And actually, it comes down to monitoring occupancy and occupancy spaces. And that's really what we're going to have a chance to talk about in the next video.
Well, thank you very much, Tom. I'm looking forward to that conversation. We'll dig into occupancy monitoring in part 2. For now, on behalf of Tom and my colleagues at Microshare, thanks for watching. See you soon.